Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and that you have the carrier QR or activation code on hand. This is critical so you don't get halfway and stop. Next, make sure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular with good signal because activation may require downloading a profile. Open Settings, search for SIM or Network, and tap Add Mobile Plan. This launches the scanner or manual entry. Once done, pause to label the plan so you can distinguish it from a physical SIM. Once you've launched Add Mobile Plan, scan the carrier QR or choose Enter Code and input the SMDP Plus and activation code precisely. That's how the carrier cryptographically provisions your profile. After the profile downloads, tap it and select use for mobile data, voice, or both depending on your needs. This determines billing and fallback behavior. Make sure to label the eSIM clearly, such as work or travel, and adjust network priority and data roaming settings so your phone behaves exactly. Finish by restarting your phone to ensure the eSIM profile initializes properly. Then test calls, SMS, and mobile data to confirm billing and connectivity. If activation fails, make sure the QR wasn't cropped and rescan it, or ask the carrier for a manual SMDP Plus/activation code. Carriers sometimes need to toggle provisioning on their side. If you need to remove the profile, contact the carrier first so they deprovision. Otherwise, re-adding can be blocked. A single troubleshooting tip: reboot and rescan before anything more invasive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.